morning students. Today we are going to see math section 8th chapter. What is the 8th chapter? Length. Okay, the chapter is length. Today's section we have discussed about lower and higher. Okay, so today we discuss lower, higher and highest and lowest. So highest and lowest. What is the opposite of low? Opposite of a low is a high. Okay, opposite of a low is high. Low now, what's the meaning of low? Blonde irukada low. High means nalla perusa irukku. Okay, that is a high. Okay, so highest and lowest. Who is the highest boy? Highest boy in the class. Highest boy in the class. So, who is Kaja is the highest boy in the class. Okay, who is the lowest girl? Who is the lowest girl in our class? Nisha is the lowest girl in our class. Okay, high opposite. What's the meaning of high? Romba height irukku. Okay, low means romba kuttiya irukku, short irukku. Okay, so high opposite for low. That we discuss in this class. So you have see one picture in the board. Okay, you see this picture. What is it? This is the tree. What is it? This is the mountain. Okay, so this is the mountain. This is also one of a mountain. This is another mountain. This is a tree. Okay, so which mountain is the highest mountain? Mountain. Which mountain is the highest mountain? For 3 mountains is there. How many mountains are there? 3 mountains are. Which is the highest mountains in this picture? Which is the highest mountain? This is the highest mountain. Okay, inge paru idoda height like that. Inge paru idile small. Compared to this is the highest. You compare this mountain, this. So which is the highest? This is the highest. First we compare this two. Okay, you compare this two. This mountain is the highest mountain. You compare this mountain. So which is the highest? This is the highest mountain. Okay, then you compare this two. So this is the highest mountain. You compare is this 3 mountains. 1, 2, 3. Because this is first mountain, this is the second mountain, this is the third mountain. So you compare these 3 mountains. Which is the highest mountain? This is the first mountain is the highest mountain. Okay, which is the lowest mountain? Which is the lowest mountain, ma? This second mountain. This is the second mountain. This is the lowest mountain. Okay, so this is the first mountain is the highest mountain. The second mountain is the lowest mountain. So in this class we see what is the highest, what is the lowest. So we take, listen here. So what is it? This is the scale. Okay, you know the scale. This is the steel scale. This is the small scale. This scale is the long scale. So which is the highest scale? The highest scale. So this is the highest scale. Okay, you compare this two. Which is the lowest? The small scale. This is the kutti scale like this, lowest. Okay, so we take a spoon. We take a spoon. Okay, so this is one of the spoon. This is another spoon. Which spoon is the highest and which spoon is the lowest? This is the highest spoon. This is the lowest spoon. You compare. You compare these two. So this is the highest spoon. This is the lowest spoon. Kuttiya irukku pathiya the spoon. Okay. Then we take a book. This is the our EVS book. Okay. This is coloring book. Here one book is there. To compare these 2 books. Which is the highest book and which is the lowest book? So our EVS book is the highest book. This coloring book is the lowest book. Okay, so this is the highest, this is the lowest. Okay, then we take one chalk. Okay, listen here. Here we have a 2 chalk. This is the orange color chalk, this is the white color chalk. Okay, so which is the highest? Is highest? This orange color is the highest chalk. Okay, which is the lowest chalk? This white color is the lowest chalk. Okay, we have to see so many examples. What is we have to see? First we see the mountains. So many mountains are there and one tree is there. Here one teacher is in the board. So which is the lowest mountain? This is the first mountain, this is the second one, this is the third one. The second one is the lowest mountain. Okay, so what is the opposite of low? High. Okay, we compare this to scale. So this is the highest scale, this is the lowest scale. We compare this to spoons also. So this is the highest spoon. Height பாரு, இதை கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது இதில் எப்படி இருக்குது, பெருசாக இருக்குது. This is the lowest spoon. Then the chalk is there. This is orange color, this is the white color chalk. You compare this two. This orange color chalk is the highest chalk. This is the lowest chalk. Then we discuss the book also. So one book is there. Here one book. This is the highest book. This is the lowest book. So what we have to see here? We have to see the so many example. Now we discuss about 8.3. So let us try 8.3. So page number in your book, page number 46. So you turn page number 46 in your book. What is given here? You see here in this book, first Roman letter you see, write height for highest and low for lowest. One is done for you. So the highest mean you write, what you write? Height. Then lowest mean highest. Okay, height means highest, then L for lowest. So the first letter you come back, height, then L. You write height for highest, then L for lowest. Okay, so you see here, write height for highest and L for lowest. One is done for you. Here first figure you see, first picture you see, so my three mountains are there. This is the highest mountain, this is the lowest mountain. Then next three falls is there. So what is it? Here three falls as one. Thanni appadi vilra maadhiri irukku paru. 1, 2, 3. So which fall is the highest fall? So this is the highest fall. Okay, this is the lowest fall. So you write L. Okay, L for lowest, height for highest. Okay, H potuko. Then you see the building. So many building you have to see. Chala building pathana eppadi iruko? That is the highest building. Abdina romba height ah iruko. Oru ethana iruko? You see in the Chennai, like that you see apartment you have to see. Chala apartment ethana iruko? 7 houses is there. So this is the highest building in the street. Okay, that apartment is. Then chala house pathina only one ground floor only is there. So this is the lowest building in the street. Okay, we compare this two buildings. Okay, this building is the highest building in our school. That is the three floors are there. This is the highest building. Okay, then lowest building அப்படினா என்ன சொல்றோம், ஒரே ஒரு ground floor மாத்திரம். So you compare this three buildings there, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is the lowest building, this is the highest building. Okay, இதுதான் ரொம்ப ஹைட்டா இருக்குது. Okay, highest building. Okay, then next பாரு, circle O for object at the highest level. நல்ல ஹைட்டா போறது என்ன பண்ற, ஒரு சர்க்கிள் பண்ணி வைக்க போறோம். and cross the object at the lowest level. One is done for. இந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ல வந்து என்ன பண்ண போறோம், லோயஸ்டா இருக்கத கிராஸ் பண்ண போறோம். அப்படினா என்ன அர்த்தம், ஒரு கிராஸ் போட்டு விட்டுருங்க. அப்படி கிராஸ் போட்டு விட்டேன்னா அது என்னது, லோயஸ்ட். அப்போ இது என்னது, இதில் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஃபிகர் இஸ் given. Okay, answer is given. Then see the B answer. Here parachute, 3 parachute is there. 1, 2, 3. So which is the highest அப்படிங்கிற போது நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம், புட்ட ரவுண்டு, இந்த சர்க்கிளில் ரவுண்ட் பண்ணிக்கணும். ஓகே, ஹையஸ்ட்டாக இருக்குது, நல்லா ஹைட்டாக இருக்குது, புட் round. Okay, next paru, two birds are there. Here one bird is here, then another bird is there. So which is the lowest, which is the highest? This is the highest round pandra. Then this is, you have to see two objects is there, aeroplane, here one bird is there. You compare the aeroplane and this bird. So which is the highest, higher move ஆகிறது எது? இதுதான் move ஆகுது. So this is the higher place. Okay, the bird is in the higher place compared to the aeroplane. Okay, this is the height. So you put a wrong, you put a cross for this two. எதுக்கெல்லாம் cross பண்ண போற? Put a cross for this. Okay, the lowest, this parachute you put a cross. Here the bird put a cross. This is the lowest. Okay, then here aeroplane is the lower place. So this put a cross. Okay, cross பண்ண வேண்டியதுக்கு என்னது? Lowest means you put a cross, then higher means you put a circle. Okay, so we have to study lower and higher. Okay, next we will see bigger and smaller. What we have to see? Next we see the bigger and smaller. What is the next topic? Bigger. What is the opposite of big? What is the opposite of big? What is the opposite of big? The opposite of a big is a, what is the opposite of big? Opposite of big is a small. Okay, the opposite of a big is a small ball. What is it? This is a ball. This is also ball. Okay, this is the big ball, this is the small ball. Okay, this ball is a big ball. பெரிய ball இருக்கு, இது என்னது? Small ball. Okay, so this is the big ball and this is the small ball. You see this? This is the two color of the balls is there. So what is our topic? Bigger and smaller. Our topic is bigger and smaller. So our topic is bigger and smaller. This is the big. This ball is big and this ball is very small. Okay, இது வந்து எப்படி இருக்குது? Big ஆ இருக்குது. This is the very small ball. Okay. So this picture is this clock is you see this two types of a clock. This clock is a bigger clock and this clock is a smaller clock. பாரு, இது வந்து ரொம்ப பெருசா இருக்குது, இது எப்படி இருக்குது? Smaller இருக்குது. This clock is a smaller clock. Okay, so this is the bigger clock, this is the smaller clock. Okay, then next we see the plate. So we see the plate. You see this plate. We compare this two plate. This is the bigger plate. This is the smaller plate. Okay, this is the bigger plate. In the plate எப்படி இருக்குது? பெருசா இருக்குது. You see this? This is the smaller plate. We compare this two. Okay, this is the bigger plate. This is the smaller plate. So what we have to see? This is the biggest ball. This is the smallest ball. This pink color is the biggest ball, this blue color is the smallest ball. So we see the picture. This is the clock, this is the bigger clock. Okay, biggest clock. This is the smallest clock. Okay, so what we have to study? What is the big? This ball is the big ball and this is the small ball. Okay, so let us try next exercise. What is the next exercise? Exercise 8.4. We see 8.4. So let us discuss 8.4. Okay, you see this circle O for bigger and cross for smallest. One is done for you. Here some bird is there. O அப்படிங்கற circle பண்ற, அடுத்தது smaller cross பண்ற. Then here you see this second picture. one hippopotamus, then lion, then monkey is there. So which is the biggest animal? This hippopotamus is the biggest animal. So you put a circle. Okay, you put a circle for hippopotamus and monkey. Put this is the smallest animal for compare these three animals. Okay, so they put a cross. Then some fruits are there. Pineapple, apple, then watermelon. So which is the biggest? Because this watermelon is the biggest. So you put a circle. Then apple is the small. So, okay, you put cross. Okay, then three balls are there. So this is the center ball is the biggest ball. This is the smallest. Okay, smallest mean you put a cross. Biggest mean you put a circle. அப்படினா என்ன அர்த்தம்? பெருசா இருக்கிறதுக்குலாம் சர்க்கிள் போடுறோம், ஸ்மாலஸ்ட்லாம் நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? So circle the smallest bowl. So you have to see the three bowls. Okay, three play bowls. This is the smallest. Okay, this is the smallest bowl. This is the okay, smallest only ask. So first bowl, second bowl, third bowl is there. The center bowl is the smallest bowl. Okay, so next we see the thicker and thinner. What is the meaning of thicker? What is the meaning of thicker? Thicker, and next we see thicker and thinner. Okay. Thicker and thinner. What's the meaning of thick? What is the meaning of thick? What's the meaning of thick ma? நல்ல தடிமனா இருக்கிறது தான் என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? thick சொல்லுவோம். Okay, this is the thicker. This is the thick pencil. This is the thin pencil. Okay, thin means it ஒல்லியா இருக்குது. This is the thicker pencil. குண்டா இருக்கிறத நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? thicker சொல்லுவோம். So you compare, we take two books. This we see the book. This is the story book. This is the coloring book. You see this book here. This is the thick book. Okay, this is the thin book. ஒல்லியா இருக்கும் அப்படியே இந்த book பார்த்தேனா. This is the thick. This is the thin. அப்படினா என்ன அர்த்தம்? இது ஒல்லியா இருக்கு. So this is the thick book. This book is the thick book. This is the thin book. Then next you take this. I'll take a bangle. Two bangles there. This is the thick bangle. அப்படினா என்ன அர்த்தம்? இவ்வளோ பெருசு இருக்குது thick bangle. This is the thin bangle. ஒல்லியா இருக்கும். Okay, this is the thin bangle. We take this pen and pencil is there. The pen is the thick object. This pencil is a thin object. இது நல்ல திக்கா இருக்கு. இது எப்படி இருக்குது? தின்னா இருக்கு. thin object. So what we have to see? We have to see thick and thinner. So this is the thick book. நல்ல இவ்வளோ பெருசு தண்டியா இருக்கும். இதுதான் thick சொல்லுவோம். thinனா என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? இந்த மாதிரி ஒல்லியா இருக்கும். இதுதான் என்னது? thin சொல்றோம். Then we see the bangle. This is the thick. Then this is the thin. Okay, thick சொல்றோம். இது என்ன சொல்றோம்? thin bangle சொல்றோம். ரொம்ப ஒல்லியா இருக்கிறது. We compare this pencil. Pen and pencil. This is the thick pen and this is the thin pencil. So we see the exercise 8.5. 8.5. So take 8.5. 8.5 पर circle the thickest and cross the thinner. So this book is a thickest குண்டா இருக்குது. thickest சொல்றோம். put a circle and this is the thinner. You put cross. Okay, cross பண்ணிக்கோ. Then the board, three board is there. 1, 2, 3. The second board is the thickest board and third one is the thinner. thinnerங்கிறதுக்கு cross பண்ணிக்கோ. thickerக்கு circle பண்ணிக்கோ. Okay, then circle the thinner object. One is done for you. So compare these two. But this is the pen and this is pencil. Which is the thinner? This pencil is a thinner. Okay, here two log. Log means இந்த மரக்கட்டை wood கட்டை wood இருக்குது, which is the thinner object. This is the thinner object. Okay, this is the thinner object, this is the thicker object. Okay, then 2 chocolate is there. This is the, what is it, thinner object. This is the thinner object, this is the thicker object. So 2 bangle is there. What is it? This is the thinner object. ஒல்லியா இருக்குது தான் இந்த மாதிரி என்ன செய்கிற ஒல்லியா இருக்க பேங்கிள் தான் என்னது thinner object. So next, numbers the trees in order of a thickness. Write 1 for thickest and 3 for thinnest. First வந்து எப்படி இருக்கணுமா thickest. அப்போ you see 3 trees are there. So இந்த tree பாரு, இந்த tree பாரு, you see this tree, which is the thickest tree. இதுதான் thickest tree. நல்ல இவ்வளோ பெருசு அடர்த்தியாக இருக்குது. So this is the thickest tree. Then second one is the next this. Then third one thinnest. அப்படியே ஒல்லி ஆயிடுது, இவ்வளோ பெருசுக்கு இருந்து அப்புறம் இப்படி ஆயிடுது, அப்புறம் எப்படி ஆயிடுது ஒல்லி ஆயிடுது. ட்ரீ பார்த்தோன்னா இவ்வளோ பெருசுக்கு இருக்குது, அப்புறம் இவ்வளோ ஆயிடுது, அப்புறம் நல்ல தின் ஆயிடுது. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த திக்கஸ்ட், திஸ் இஸ் த தின். ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட்டு, தென் செகண்டு, தேர்ட். So what we have to see in this section, we have to study what is the highest, what is the higher, what is the lower, what is the smaller, then what is the bigger, what is the thin and what is the thicker. So first we have study what is the highest. This compared to this 2 scale, this is the higher object, this is the smaller object. Okay, sorry, lower object. This is the higher object, this is the lower object. In this book we take book or we take a ball. This is the big, this is the small ball, this is the big ball, this is the small ball. In a bangle, this is the thick bangle, this is the thin bangle. Thick, this is the thin, thin bangle. Okay, so we have to study in this section what is the higher and lower, what is the small, what is the big, what is the thin and thick. Okay, I all understand. I hope you are all understand. We will see the next class. Thank you, students.